at a chance, so you ask now, nigga, the motherfucking man, where you at now?
Hold up. Wait. We're live? Oh my god. Okay. Hiya. Hey, Kendrick, what's up? Wait, let me turn on this music because it's hella loud. Damn, this shit is hella loud. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's see if my cam is working today. Can you hear me? Bruh. This cameraman, I need to get me a new camera. This sucks. What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to another day, another stream. I got disconnected. I went to make some tea, as always. How's it going, guys? How you doing, Kendrick? Hey, I had to get your sister some what are those called? Robux? And I'm not sure if she knows how to put it in. So you're gonna have to do it for her. So when I send it tomorrow, you have to do it for her, okay? He's going to a party? What? Your cousin? Wow, that's nice. Wow. He's going to house parties now. Hey, Bunny, ¿cómo estás? Lo siento. I'm sorry I didn't say hi to you. How's it going? Space cow? You want some tea too? ¿Cómo se llama? What's green in Spanish again? Verde. ¿Quieres un poco de verde? De limón? I'm drinking green tea lemon. It's so delicious. Sounds alright. I was invited but didn't want to go. Really? Why would you not go to a party? Let me tell you now. You should go to any party you get invited to at that age. Because when you get older like me, you don't want to do shit. I'm sorry for speaking profanity, but it's the truth. When you get older, you don't want to do anything. Space cow. You want some tea, baby bunny? Bunny. What's this? What was that? Let's play some team deathmatch. Let's get right into it. So what's good, guys? What's special today? What did you guys do today? Today was Saturday. Did you guys do anything special? Went to the beach or anything? I didn't do anything today. Sucks, man. No, I lie. I was very productive. I did a lot of work. Made a lot of awesome designs. What designers do, you know? You prop high? Nah, I wish. I think he's here. What? What do you mean? Space Cowboys high? Is that what you say? Space Cow. Kendrick, you should go see the girls. I'm pretty sure the girls like Kendrick. You probably have a bunch of crushes in your school, right?
Good luck. Have fun. Don't die.
Your cousin? Your cousin is here? What? What do you mean? I thought he went to a party. How could it be here and he went to a party? I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense. That does not make any sense at all. Can I turn this music down a little more? No, it's fine. It's good, it's good, it's good. Let's kill some people. Oh, we're just 2 people? Damn. I wasn't paying attention. I need a lighter mouse. This mouse is kind of heavy. It's always sweaty in the Apex house. Apex and chill? That doesn't exist, bro. My title is clickbait. Oh, wow. Bro, what? That's crazy, bro. What? No, you don't. No, no, no! I got stuck on the door. That was funny. So where's your cousin? Cousin? You're kidding me. These kids are hella annoying. Apex and chill, she said. Oh shit. You're fucking kidding me, bro. Yeah? Oh, he's probably gonna kill me. So sweaty, bro. So sweaty. I almost killed him though. Yeah. Fucking bolt raid. Gotta love him. By the way, if I didn't redeem my diamond the last time, is it possible when I get my diamonds, I get it twice? Nah, it doesn't work like that. Unless you can tell, how can I put this in a nice way? Unless you can recruit it from somebody else. You know, maybe a mother could help you out, you know? That's the only way, because, you know, I got my stuff to do, too. And I'm trying to put some giveaways on the stream to make people come watch, you know? So those lovely gifts are going to stop, unfortunately. Oh, come on, bro. Yee! You're kidding me. Oh, this kid thinks he's smart. Kid, you're a dumbass. I'm sorry for cursing again. Oh, I can leave? Thank God, because this is hella stupid. Apex and chill, she said. Oh, I don't mind. Noel didn't save up. What? He bought skins. Well, too bad for him. He should have thought about this. Let me get this guy. Hey Lua, do you like any sport? I do, of course. And you can tell by the games I play which sport I like. What do you think it is?
Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's do this.
What sport do I like? Tell me what you think.
You fellas keep telling me this game's a death sentence.
Tell
But
me.
here I am.
Dígame.
Let's not finish quickly. Where's the fun in that?
Wait, am I over? No, right? Wait. I am. Wow, okay. No worries, I'm a Loba main anyway. I haven't been playing her much these days. Lately then. Wait, where's my chat? Swimming? Well, yeah, I do love swimming, but like, if you guys look at Rocket League, what kind of sports do they play in the Rocket League? But with cars. Yep, that's it. That's it right there. Why is he punching me? Or the air? You're kidding me, bro. Fucking guy.
Recharging my shields.
I need a lighter mouse. He's like one shot. Oh, okay, he died. He dead. TTV dead.
Recharging my shields.
Yeah, baby. Wow, I'm getting shot by 2 people. Holy fuck. Are they tag teaming on me? You like football? I like football. Let me try to write it. Like this. This is how you write it. Hold up. I like football.
Someone else is over there.
Football. Yeah. Bro, how am I not hitting any shots, bro? Jeez.
Recharging my shields.
Yo, stop shooting me. I can hear a kid down here, but I can't see him. Man, I can't drink my tea with this big ass mic in front of my face. Oh, they're following you! Bro, how's this kid not dead, bro? Bro, how are these kids not dead? They should both be dead right now, man. No!
Recharging shields.
You said what? Wait, what? That's wild. Yeah. I like football. Oh, look at that. If only I could hit my shots. They say you gotta shake it. Shake it. Oh, they're trying to tag team on us. Bro, I can't hit any shots with this thing from this distance. I didn't die once. Oh, I should have stayed quiet. Nah, kid, doesn't work like that. Kid. Where's everybody? They left me. Can you believe that? Someone behind here.
Charging up my shields.
That shit is so loud.
It's go time. My wrecking ball's rolling.
Maggie's big ball is rolling. Oh no.
I see an enemy over there.
Oh no, you're both dead. Damn it. And I'm going in. It's just great. No! I went right in the middle. That's so stupid. That was so dumb. You're starving? What are you gonna eat? What you gonna have, huh?
You fellas know the drill. It's go time.
I'm in the mood for some KFC chicken. Too bad I'm too lazy to go out. I mean, I can order it, but they're gonna charge me like 10 bucks more just to come deliver it, and I live so close to them. It's so stupid. I don't think it's worth it. Not even if I was a millionaire, I don't think it's worth it. Where my boys at? Where are these kids? Let's go, baby. Guys, don't leave me alone. They're gonna kill me. They're gonna murder me. Oh god. Oh shit, he's behind me. I thought he was after me. He's not. Fudge. There's a kid in the smoke. I can't see him. Where'd he go? His big bowl. I mean, her big bowl. Oh shit. Kill him! Kill him! No! Damn it, he killed him. JG. I think you would like something else, and football, of course. Yeah, I love swimming and football. I like those two things the most. I used to be a professional swimmer when I was younger. Won some medals and stuff. It was so much fun, but I stopped because I was getting sick a lot with the cold because of a wet hair every day, every night. That was too bad. I'm so sad. I was getting sick too much. So my parents decided to take me out of that because I got sick too much. Kind of sounds like a ramen.
Not finish quickly.
Oh, yeah, he does sound like a ramen.
Tactic to fight.
Why you shoot your teammates? I don't. What do you mean? Yeah, ramen. Yep. He's a good guesser. Mr. Space Cowboy here. I mean, Mr. Space Cow. You didn't go to school the 2 last days? Sick of winning? I know, right? That's a good one. I was getting sick of winning too much. Why is my sound so blicky? It's so muffled. I don't know what changed. Ah! Come on, bro. Get him! Get him! Ah, get him! Oh my god, that is so funny. That is so funny. I want to play VG. What is that? A virtual game? But I don't know what to play. But you want to play video games. Okay, that's what you call it now? Wish my laptop works. What happened to your laptop? Oh no. Mexico. What? Here in Mexico, we don't eat ramen so often. Yeah, no? Hey, 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 don't be racist. Otherwise, he can be racist to you too. You are both from other places. Which Loba skin do I have now? Oh, it's that one. Okay. Let me have a sip of my tea. Yeah, I figured that, Kendrick. Fiji sounds like something else, though. Something that's not good. Sí, güey, te voy a romper tu madre, güey. Te doy un pinch. Oh my god, what? Hold up. I didn't know you knew those words. Who would have thought an Asian that can speak Spanish? That's a miracle. Oh no. They killed him. They killed Kenny. Wait, where'd he go? Damn, how did it not kill this kid? Kill him! Fuck, he's one shot, bro. This kid is one shot. No, no, no. Don't shoot at me!
Recharging shield.
Bro. He's coming for me! It's a good thing I got this bracelet. And this is why I love to play this character. She can just bracelet out of there. Wow, what is that? Is that a shotgun?
Recharging my shield.
Hit me in the face? Wow. Wow, bro. How are these kids hitting me with that gun and I can never hit someone from this distance? That's fucking stupid. Bro, close the door. Thank God you closed the door. We got him. Oh no! Nice.
Target here.
They're on the roof! They're on the roof! Oh, they're not on the roof anymore? Wow. Where is he? Kill him! Fucking shit! Oh god. No. You should try War Thunder. It's cool. I heard about that. Oh no, what is that? Wait, I'm not paying attention to chat because this game is very demanding. Shit. Don't think. Shoot, Lua. Damn it. How did I miss this kid? No way! They're both one shot! Well, not really. Just one of them. Wait, what? Being underwater? Oh my gosh, deep stuff. What? Hold on, that sounds so bad. What are you saying, man? That sounds dirty. Sturdy. He likes being underwater and stuff. Deep stuff. Like what? What's going on here? What's up with the graphics? War Thunder? Let me check out chat for a second. If this thing works. Oh, I can't. Oh well. Can I get anything in my ult?
Setting up shop.
There's nothing. That's so stupid. No, this kid keeps shooting and it doesn't stop. Oh no. Oh gosh. No! Oh man, that's how he lost? Oh. Did he get me with a knife? Oh, don't let him kill you, bro. Oh gosh! Oh no, she's healing. No fucking way, man. Fucking die! Holy fuck, dude.
Activating jump trap.
How does this kid not die? Please help me, please! Oh gosh! There's nothing here! Oh my god. This son of a... Okay, okay. I'm pissed off now. Apex and not chill. How did I miss all my shots? Haha! Kid, you missed all your shots. You're so bad, kid. Kendrick, do not read this. I don't think you could tell him that. Hey, language. Oh yeah, he said some nasty stuff for sure. Control, I hate that game mode. Let's just do this. Oh, it's Broken Moon. I wish it was Olympus. And this one is Storm Point? Like, wow, man. This game sucks. Family friendly. Yes, this is a family stream. Did enough to kill, drink. Wait, to love, drink, kill, and die. Okay. Yep, you sound really old. Read above to know what you're saying. Okay, hold up. So you said, let's see. Before you said, Kendra, do not read this. Let's see. Well, I think your Robux, you can transfer it to my account since my sister plays on it and I don't anymore. Ah, she does play on yours? Okay. I'm considering, wait, I'm considering be professional at football, but maybe I wasn't good enough or something break into my mind. Something more deep. Oh, you were considering being a professional footballer. Okay. Some nasty stuff, girl. I thought you were saying some nasty stuff, like for real. Old enough to love, drink, kill, and die. Who's old? Hey, Chino! What's good? How's it going? Welcome. Nice of you to join us today. How's it going? How's your lovely Saturday? Well, it's almost Sunday there. Or, oh, maybe it's already Sunday there. Oh my. Oh my gosh, listen to that. We're gonna play ranked and this kid is just listening to loud ass TV. Really old. Who isn't? Probably me. Yeah, I think Kendrick is the only one who's not. Who's like a fucking baby in here. R.I.P. My way. Oh, it's a duo in ranked. Wow, this game is just the best, isn't it? I should probably stop the music for a bit, for a second. I'm gonna have to listen to this. What rank am I? I think I'm silver. Give me some boost in here, some base. Okay, we're good.
Enemy over there. Don't let them see you. Let's go there.
Oh no. It's gonna be a D fight. Gimme, 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 gimme. Oh shit. Guys, don't leave me. Oh no. No, no, no. Oh, they killed him? Come with me. Oh no, there's a whole team there. Fudge. No, 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 no. There's a whole team there. Wait, 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 wait. No, bro. They're gonna focus us. Oh, great. Oh, hell no. Son of a... No.
Reinforcing my Evo shield. Reinforcing my Evo shield.
Get that guy! Get that guy!
Frag out.
Shit! Nice. Third party. Son of a. Okay, so anyways, where were we? Bible thump what? I'm not a baby, what? Baby blue. Hey, yeah, I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow finally. Why are you cutting your hair? I like your hair. You should just let it grow and be very long and really cool. It's pretty cool to have long hair for sure. But anyways, so whatever you want. Damn it, I don't think I want to play ranked again. Let's just do this. I play Loba. Let's be a good Loba main. I'm getting my haircut tomorrow finally after decades. You make it sound like a long time. I don't think it has been that long.
Entonces, bro.
Hey. Oh, we got a baby daddy in the game. He's got a baby in the back. Ah, the baby's crying.
¿Qué más, bro?
Ahí nada más.
El lechero.
Tenga cuidado.
Yo.
En Mozambique hoy.
¿Y eso?
La pinche poderosa, la grande Mozambique. Le han dado mucho bofa a esta.
Keep pushing, Lua.
Oye, hey,
I'm going to cut
eso, bro.
the top of my top part can grow. Okay, okay. Yeah.
Más mierda, si una crema le metieron.
What are they saying, Space Cow? Tell me.
Puta, me un balado de 140.
Gibraltar.
Hay de todas, hay de todas. Están
What are they
todas,
saying?
Prowler,
Type everything they're saying in English for me.
Hold your breath. If you have a
Es la
respiratory
misma
system,
contra diferente ya va a ver. De ráfaga,
Oh
la de
gosh.
sniper,
It's gonna be a dick fight.
la tiro de sniper es la Kraven. Por si no encuentro.
Oh gosh, so many people. Bro, you grabbed the ammo but not the fucking gun. You're a fucking weirdo.
¿Dónde están? Aquí anda la Mozambique ya.
¿Dónde está?
Agárrala, agárrala.
Oh gosh. Oh no,
Está violado.
he's probably dead. Where can it go?
Agárrala.
Oh shit, I have no ammo. Oh gosh. Damn it.
Vámonos.
That was a wreck. That's the true definition of Apex and chill. Oh, team deathmatch. Let's go, baby. Did I play Loba? No, I want to play Bloodhound so I can scan these people. Wall hack. Or we can play this guy. So we can bamboozle them. I think they are talking about the weapons. Ah, okay, okay. Are they saying the same things? Like, what do you think about the weapons in Apex? Like, they suck? Yeah, they said something about Mozambique. I heard the name. But their Spanish was different. That was like... What kind of Spanish was that? From which country do you think? What can you do that doesn't require you to put on pants? That's right, don't be shy. Say hi in chat. Imagine grabbing ammo but not the gun. I know, right? It's so weird. That guy was such a weirdo for doing that. Fucking weirdo. Let's go, baby. Oh, that's such a drippy caustic costume. Look at that one. Let's go have a look. Look at that. It's so drippy. Look at it. This fat man. Oh, that kid is so dead. Oh no. Oh, he's like, okay. Oh gosh, what? Kill! Ah! Oh man, I didn't know there was an arc star there. This kid is so slow. Let me go with Watson. Only because she's cute. You guys want to see how cute she is? Wait, I can show you right now. Oh shit. Kill! Get up! Oh wait, I should have. Yeah, do that. And do this. And that. Yes. Kill! Wait. Someone's shooting you in the back. Shit. Get him, get him, get him! This kid fucking left me? No, man. Or did he die? He probably died. When you say weirdo, it's so funny. They sound from the north of the country. Was that Argentinian Spanish? Their Spanish is different. Oh gosh. Oh. Whee! Oh, he's one shot! We got him? Good. Yes! Give me that! Wait. Kill him! Shit. Damn it. I'm just gonna say, these kids keep stealing my kills. I finally got one. Oh gosh. Oh! Oh gosh. No, 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 I'm so dead. They're all after me. They're all after me. Ah! Look at that. How could they all come after a sweet, innocent fucking Watson? You know what I mean? Why would they do that? Sheesh. Ah! Don't shoot me in the back! Bro. Oh, I already healed. Wow. Watson has superpowers. Kill him! Ah! Guys. Kill him, kill him! No, 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 no. No! Leave me alone!
Attention, squad mates. We're halfway to victory.
Oh gosh. Oh, he's won.
Recharging my shield.
Before I could heal, I'm gonna be healed. Look at that. Bro, Watson is a cheat code in this game mode. Oh. I thought that was a friend of mine. Wait, we're almost tied. What?
I'm recharging my shields.
Come on, get up, Watson. Get up, Waddy. Oh, wow. Oh, that kid got wrecked. These kids are getting wrecked. Get up, Waddy! Oh, shoot. Oh, he's one shot. He turned flat in the air. Did you guys see that?
The circuit is complete.
Well, every country's Spanish is different. That's right, yeah. I especially like the Venezuelan. It's Spanish. Do you know why? Because my grandmother was from there. From Venezuela. Oh shit. Let me show you guys how cute Waddy is. Oh wow, I could have killed two guys in one. Yeah.
Just adding a petite touch of paquette here.
Oh, this is not the cute one. Let me show you guys the real cute one. It's this one, it's this one. Isn't she cute? Oh, it's the cutest thing ever. Did you guys kill him? I don't have to heal. Kill him! Bro, how did he not die? Okay. Okay, buddy. No way! I can't believe that kid didn't die. You're kidding me. What? No! Oh, that was a mistake. And we won. Let's go, baby. GG, that was a fun one. If y'all wondering, I'm still here. Hi, Kendrick, what's up? Just making your food, your ramen. Yeah, I already noticed that you talk like a villain. Yeah. Yep. My peoples are from there. Oye, chamo. Pero bueno, pues, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué es lo que es? Wait, set on greatness? I love that guy. I used to do tournaments because of that guy. Oh my gosh, I should totally play with him. Oh no, I should have played with him. Cause I really want to get into competitions again. It could be a good thing. Could you imagine just playing games and winning thousands of dollars? Just winning tournaments?
Round squared away.
That's just great. I need to do that. I definitely need to do that.
This is more than a battlefield to me.
And when I'm playing the competitions, I cannot stream though, because that's gonna take away from my FPS and my internet. So... Wait, what are we playing? Deathmatch, yeah. Okay, okay. With little Waddy.
Such a happy fence.
That's
The circus
a happy fence.
charging my shields.
Oh gosh. No, no, no. Oh my god! That guy's mean. I'm pretty sure that's at Octane, huh? This one. The one that has the streamer mode on, like a stupid tard. Thinking people are gonna stream snipe him. Nobody's gonna stream snipe you, kid. Calm down. You can relax your stupid ass. Wow, that kid just doesn't stop shooting. Why is there so many behind me? Like, what? Hold up, that's it. No, wait, I gotta... Yeah, Bamboozle would be the best. My best bet right now. I like the way you talk, because it's more familiar for me. You do? Oh gosh, is someone behind me?
Sending out my decoy.
You got him? Come on, guys. Let's stay together. No! Oh gosh. Where's my gun? Damn it. Sheesh.
Bam to the woo.
Wow, this kid just doesn't miss, bro. That kid just doesn't fucking miss.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Like, get the fuck off my back, bro.
Recharge.
Oh, he's still behind my back, like... Streamer mode. Get the fuck out of here, kid. You're probably cheating. I'm reporting both of them. How are you moving around like a crazy person and not missing any shots? That's fucking impossible, bro. That shit pisses me off. You're kidding me. Okay, buddy. Sure. There's a kid here, bro. Oh gosh. What? Bro, how did a kid not die? Let's go, baby! I killed both of them! Let's fucking go. Of course, I was wondering if all Curaçao's people talk like that, cause I don't know, I really know. I don't really know enough of you. Right. I mean, all Curaçao people can speak Spanish, English, Dutch, and Papiamento. I mean, my English is good compared to a lot of people from here. How am I missing? But anyways. Sorry if that sounds ignorant. No, it doesn't at all. You can say whatever you need to. It's fine. Nothing is ignorant in here. Don't you worry about it. Oh, this kid left.
Bam, there goes a boozle. You got
Yeah.
bamboozled. Look at you.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
You got bamboos. I'm gonna try to stick him. Shit. Bro, this kid is... Either he's on a roller or he's cheating. Oh, I can't leave?
Too bad. There. Send it out another me.
How did he know which one I was? Where are my decoys? This is some big ball. Anyways. Let me try to annoy him as much as I can, because that's all we can do right now. Look at this kid. This kid is hella fucking sweaty. Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Off the mic. I'm spotted.
Bam to the woozle. Sending out a decoy.
Help! How the fuck, guys? Like, this kid is also cheating. Get the fuck out of here. Forget about it.
Double timing it.
Look, he's killing everybody. This kid is not cheating. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Boozled. Look at you.
No
So
fucking
they're
way.
about to win, so no more bam snoozling, all right? Decoy escape deployed. She got bamboozled.
Bitch ass. You're a fucking idiot.
Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
You got bamboozled. Look at you. She got, you got bamboozled. Go bamboozle.
Oh, they need their hacks too.
Enemy landed near me. Got my boozles at the ready. She got bamboozled.
Oh, now that he's dying, you come in? How did he not fucking die? I almost killed you, kid. Go fuck yourself, you cheaters. Go touch some grass! Get a life! You clearly don't have a life. Clearly y'all don't have a life. Clearly. Oh shit. Aw, I can't play with you. GG guys. Damn, these kids are fucking... Wow. Diamonds and shit. Well, I can't play with them. They're tryhards. That's right. Wait, what did you say? Space cow? Let me read what you said. Of course, I was wondering if all Curacao people talk like that, cause I don't know really know enough of you. Sorry if I sound ignorant. Yeah, but if all of you sound like that, like Venezuelan people, it was just you. Or if it's just you. I don't think we all sound like Venezuelan people, that's for sure. We all have a different way of speaking. Because we all come from different families and we all have different influences. Some people hang out with a bunch of Dominicans, so they speak more like the Dominican people. Some people speak like Venezuelan because we're close to Venezuela and we have a bunch of them on the island. Some people speak like Colombians because they hang out with the Colombians. You know what I mean? So there are different types of people. Yeah, go touch some fucking grass already. It's clear they don't have a life. They don't do anything else. Tryhards. Hey, why is my game stuck? I bet you when I open the second pack, it's gonna start. And I can't even see what's in the pack. What is this? This is the ugliest effing skin I've ever seen in my life. 15 crafting materials? Wow, that is so much. It's not, guys. That's not a lot at all.
Look, I have no choice but to win. People are depending on me.
Okay, not bad. There we go. Now this is more like it. 200 crafting materials. Let's fucking go. Now we can get something good. Damn it. Return to main menu? My game got stuck, I guess. The server got stuck. I can even get one of those skins, I think. Did it get stuck again? Come on, man. Apex is broken. What the? Ooh, this one looks like a tranny. No offense to anyone out there. There we go. We can finally get a gun run.
Colloidal, estradiol, magical. I'm a perfect concoction. Real men use iron sights? I use heavy artillery. Remember, bloodshed is bloodshed.
Is it raining out there? I can hear the sound of rain. No, I don't think it is. These are the MVP. Come on, guys, push! Push, Loa, push! How the fuck did I get up there so quick? What? Bro, I'm so pissed right now. This thing makes me rage. This game is no chill. No chill in this game. No chill at all. Why would you smoke that top? We can't see shit now. How am I supposed to see? Like, what is this strategy? You know what I mean? I don't think this kid thought it through. Can you leave me alone? Oh gosh. Kill him! I got him. Oh gosh. They're breaking the door. What's the door below? No way! What did he have? Wait, let me see what he had. Come on, show me. Oh, I didn't even see what he had. Wow. Are you trying to smoke me? Oh yeah, I can't see anything. Oh gosh. Oh, how did he not die? Is that a logo? No, it's a Maggie.
Recharging my shields, Guzzies. Come on in.
Where's everybody? Wow, can you guys believe that? I cannot believe how I missed that. That should have hit. It's gotta do with my ping for sure. I'm trying to break the door. Oh no! They killed you? Was that the it's the lifeline, I think. Oh, we gotta help a teammate, man. Got him!
Charging my shields, Guzzies.
Oh, he got him. Oh god. Yeah!
Give me a sec. Recharging shields.
There are some Mexicans, some paisanos. I don't know. I haven't come in contact with any paisanos por aquí. Pero creo que hay algunos. Hay gente de todo lugar. You're kidding me. Wait, someone actually got the knife? What? You can't shoot me. You can't shoot me. Oh, control. I don't like control. That must be a metaphor. Anyways, let's just do it. Like, control is very fucking sweaty. I don't like it. If you haven't played control, you haven't seen sweaty. Wait, what's in the shop? I hate to look because these things are so expensive. Oh, this is so nice though. Oh, I want that. Ah, I should get that. I shouldn't, but you know. Oh man. I shouldn't, but I should. It's a dilemma.
Time to end this.
Time to end what, KB? What are you talking about?
My head's in the clouds. How else could I see everything?
Man, that white Pathfinder skin is so nice. I should get it. I shouldn't get it. I should probably have some self-control. That's what I should have. Damn it. I'm probably gonna end up getting it anyway. Anyways, for next week's stream, I'm gonna be having a giveaway. I'm gonna try to get some people in chat with that method. Get some people to join the family. Wait, we got a zone already. Why didn't I continue with the slingshot? Right, is that... I should probably go back so I can defend. Poor kid is alone. I'm here for you, man. Sweaty Wraith. That's what you gotta keep doing, huh? Jumping. Jumping. Why am I dead sliding? I'm sorry I stole your kill. Kid. Of course they did. Ah, is that a... Ah! It's a lover! How did she not die? What? Did you get her? I'm sorry, I stole your kill, kid. Yo.
Over here, I'm attacking. Giving my shields a recharge.
No! Eh!
Us. We got it. Using grapple.
Oh, no, go back. Oh, gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. No. Oh, another kid killed me. Okay. He shot me in the back. Backstabber. Of course, it's the backstabber. Guys, we gotta get this zone. Oh no, they're dying. What? Come on, let's go, baby. Come on, guys.
They neutralized the zone. Oh, darn. Setting a zip line.
Showing some cover for my brother. Giving my shield a recharge.
Zone B has been captured.
They got a zone.
Oh, there's so many people here. Aha!
Frag out. Giving my
Oh, no, they're dying. Help! 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 Son of a bitch! Oh no. Come on, get up! Oh gosh. Oh shit. No! He still got me? Damn, bro. Oh, that makes me rage. Walter! Go touch grass, Walter. This is a good loadout, actually. We got it. Oh, he's the ranks leader? He's been guarding this place with his life.
Body shield here. Level 3.
Come on. Someone else should come here so we can get this zone faster. We need help.
We neutralized the zone. Good work.
Stay here, kid. Get in, kid! Sheesh.
Giving my shield.
I thought my thing auto heals, but I was wrong. It has? Oh no, that's not good. That's not good, guys. We need to kill the respawn beacon guy. Damn it, he got it. Shit, man. Fuck.
Mobile respawn beacon here.
Damn it, man. Now they're gonna annoy the fuck out of us. Where'd he go?
Bad news. They neutralized the zone.
Damn it. No, you cannot be here. Oh gosh. It's gonna be hard because these kids are not guarding this. Oh gosh. What? How the fuck did he go so quick? This kid speed hacking? Oh gosh. Son of a bitch, bro. Can you guys guard the fucking respawn beacon? My god, these kids. Hotline Miami? Yeah, I tried to download it, but I have to pay for it, so... And I didn't want to pay for it. I was trying to get it free. God, fucking die, kid. Get on!
Recharging shields.
gosh. This is hella annoying. Oh gosh. It's gonna come this way. Or not? Oh no, bro. Oh, they're all going up front now. Oh shit.
Ready to scorch for burn. Main engine burn.
Guys. Oh gosh. I can't see shit. Okay. Oh no. No! Yes, we got the sound. Wait, it doesn't count if I'm in the air?
Don't shield out. Giving my shields a recharge. Hostile idea.
I want to be the rings leader. That's why I'm staying in here.
Giving my shields a recharge. Signaling an airstrike. Recharging shields. I'll never shoot through these.
Meet one. I'm the rings leader! Haha! Let's go, baby. I did it! Wait, what? I feel so tired. You're gonna go to sleep? You'll be leaving soon? Alright, no worries. You leave at 1:30? Damn. Oh, you mean 10:30. Because 1:30 is late. Not even I'm gonna be awake by that time. I think you're missing a zero. Hmm? No? You're missing 1-0, huh? You're so sleepy? Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Thanks for dropping by, I appreciate it. Always grateful you come by. Unlike your cousin. Say hi to your cousin when you see him, by the way. Cousin? Sleep tight. Yes, go ahead. Sleep tight. Let's go, baby! And we won! And now you can leave. Good night. Oh, I'm gonna get that skin now. I probably have to put my screen to be right back. So you guys don't see my card number and stuff like that. Oh, I got 11 kills. Sheesh. Sleep well, Lua and Cowboy. It's Space Cow. Alright, have a good one. I love this. Everybody has it now, though. It's gonna cost me like 25 bucks. Hey? Hey, what? Oh, I like this one too. This is cheaper. 12 bucks, kinda. Pass me your PayPal? Why? You can make donation in... There's a donation button and it takes you to my PayPal, I think. There's a donation button in my About section. Why would you send me money though? You need a new controller. Use your money to buy a new controller. Necesitas un controller nuevo. Entonces, tienes que comprar uno nuevo. You can subscribe to my channel too. You don't want to subscribe? Sub for sub. You want to see me? Oh, you want to you want to send me the money so I can play Hotline Miami? I get it. I get it. Okay, well, we'll see about that. Yeah, I kind of promised you that I would play it this time, right? So I got 700. If I get 200, I'm good. This one is good, I guess. Then 20 bucks, man. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Let me put my screen to be right back. I'll be right back, guys. Well, turns out right now. First I have to do this, and then I have to do that, and then, you know. It's gonna take too long for now. I think it happened for a reason, just so I don't get the skin, probably. Some self-discipline. I really do want that skin though. I use Pathfinder a lot, and that skin is so smooth.
It's only over when it's over.
Oh, there was this one time, there was this really, really sexy Lifeline skin that I really wanted to get too. But that was like 30 bucks for one skin. And most of the times when I buy a nice skin, right after I bought it, I feel so disappointed in myself. It's such a gnarly feeling. So I'm trying to stop myself from doing that. I didn't buy it, no. So you bought it or not? What? I didn't buy it yet. I'm gonna do it later. I have to fill in too much information for now, so I was like, I'll do it later. Bro, this kid doesn't die. Wow. Wow. Oh, they killed him. They killed Kenny. Wow. Oh gosh. I'm like one blow. Come on, come on. Oh, this kid, man. He's not even low. Leave me alone! can't believe he didn't look back. He could have easily killed me. There's a kid behind you. Oh gosh. It's the same kid again. What? Man, he saved me. Oh wow. What? What? That's another 2 games. Oh, you're saying it's expensive as fuck? Like compared to the other games, yeah. It is. You're gonna try Warzone a little bit for a while? Okay. Where are you going, kid? Why are you pushing me? Wow, what? Oh, this kid is... He has to be on a roller. That's the only way he's killing people like this. Come on, don't get stuck on nothing. Before I started streaming, I had like a frame rate of like 240 or something. Yeah. Whoa, they killed him? Oh, it's him. Kill him! Oh no, did he kill you? Oh fuck. Oh gosh! So many people. One of them couldn't get me, so all of them came for me. Wait, this kid has 10 kills? Wow. That's crazy. That is just madness. You're probably gonna lose here. If only that guy has 10 kills already, like... We're def gonna lose this. Oh no. Oh, lifeline. Recharge my shields. I need help. Use your fucking thing, bro. Your pass, not your passive, your Q. Oh, you got him. We could win this. Oh shit. Wow, this kid, man. You're kidding. What? This kid has a thing for me. Bro, get the fuck off my dick. I'm sorry for saying that. I don't have one. But it feels like he wants to be on a, you know. You know what I mean? Like, get the fuck off, kid. Help me! Nick! It's probably that kid again, huh? No, okay. Wanna join? Nah, I don't wanna do Warzone. I'm just gonna die. I don't know how to play it.
Thermite grenade out. Ready to fly on a zip line. I am.
Okay, buddy.
Recharging shields.
They're holding hands because they think that's how they're gonna win. And they will probably win because of that. But it's fucking stupid. Why are we like... Oh, the rest of them is over there. We're only like 5 people.
Another variable for the lab rats.
Target over there.
Damn. Wait, he killed him? How does he see me? Okay, now I know these kids are cheating. At least one of them, that guy. Like, how the fuck did he know I was here? Wait, what? Got it! Ah! Got it! Help me out, kids.
I still see everything.
Recharging shield.
I'm dead. Fucking hell, man. That kid is one.
Killed my friend.
Oh, he has a thing for me. That's okay. Let him satisfy himself. Na, 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 na. Hold hands, guys. Hold hands. Guys, let's go this way.
Should go this way. Recharging shields.
Don't let him kill you. Really? Oh, that kid is one. Oh, that kid is one. So one. I did not hit any shots. Kid. Yeah, it's the same guy, huh? Oh, it's someone else. It's the cheater. Oh, he's a Masters. GG. Yuck. Wait, you said me neither? You don't know how to play, you mean? Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna play Apex in this stream, and then when I'm done later, we could probably play a little bit of Warzone. Nah, I'm gonna play Rocket League. Forget about it.
You and me, friend.
I'm not afraid. I'll never be.
Nah, I'm just not feeling it. I prefer see you play than actually play. Really?
I don't love killing. I understand the conflict and I'm fine. with
You just want to see me rage. Because these games really make me rage. And like, Call of Duty makes you wait so long. You get into a match and you die so quick. That sucks. I hate that. This one, at least you have like game modes that you die and you come back real quick. And you can keep going and going until you get better. But in Call of Duty, you don't have that. Wait, what? What a bad grapple. Don't let him kill you.
Recharging shield.
you not die? Bro. How is he shooting me from up top?
Need to recharge my shield. Recharging my shield.
Bro, that place has 3 doors. Why would you go in there?
Taking contact.
Wow! I got lasers from everywhere. Like, what? Everybody was shooting at me. Look at that shit. Can't even see it because it goes so fast. Oh man, you got killed. You're kidding me! Like, what? Bro, go fuck yourself. Fucking horny for kills. Bro, there's 2 on me, man. The Pathfinder's 1 shot. Fucking help me. Jeez. Ugh, teammates like this is so annoying. They don't do shit. That kid is still 1 shot. He's on the roof. He's on the roof. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, Raid. Wake the fuck up.
Alright, spotted here.
I mean, wake the fuck up. Oh, fuck. Did he kill you? He's 1 shot again? Like, fuck me, bro. It's probably them, huh? Fucking shit. Oh, he's 1 shot! Let's go, baby. Help me out, niggas.
Sweet angle. Moving. Going to phase.
How is he? Fucking hell. Of course, they're holding hands like crazy, bro. Keep holding hands, you little bitches. No, dicky.
Recharging my shield.
I can hear people up back here. Teammates. Our Raid just left. Ah! Get in, get in, get in.
Current angle sucks.
Oh shit. Come on, bro. Wow!
You just got caught on the wrong end of my muzzle.
That is hella annoying when you get shot in the side like that. Like fucking backstabbers, sir. How could you leave gun run, man? It's so dumb. So dumb.
Need a new angle on this.
Oh, he's up here. Shit. Oh, he's still up here. Come on, man. That is hella annoying. They always beat me with this weapon, and when I have it, it doesn't do the same. It's so weird. They have to be using some type of exploit or something. Let's go, baby. Come on. Oh, come on! How did this kid not die? Bro, fuck off. How? Okay, forget about it, man. Forget about it. I'm just not gonna say anything. Some stupid shit. Oh shit. Get in! Let me kill him, please! He was annoying me with the L-Star. Please let me kill him. I mean, not the L-Star did. What was that gun? The lasering sniper thingy. I don't even remember the name of that. Fuck this shit, man. Clearly, Respawn's method of holding people in the game doesn't work because they still quit and ruin the game for others. I think they should just eliminate that penalty. It's so stupid. It doesn't help with anything. Oh, I really want this. Oh, I really want it. Look at that butt, though. So round. Out there. Wait, I don't have any music on. I stopped it because I was playing ranked, but I never put it back on. Let me put it on. Yeah. Wait, that's a... Eso es español, otra vez. Tu papá. Unreal 95. He was probably born in 95. 1995. Vamos, chicos.
Estamos jugando con Dua Lipa. Eso es.
One case is all it takes. What?
No, cabrón. Bien duro que tú le diste. El último.
Oh my god, two of them are one. Oh man! I almost got all three of them. Sheesh, not really. I should change my character. Tu papá! Ay no, papá.
Podía partir a los dos porque ella estaba sin vida y el otro también.
Sí, bien cabrón. Me cogieron ahí un rascabicho.
Round conmigo. Oh my god, bro. Get him, get him! I got him low for you. I know. I'm so slow. He's still alive, Papa. Oh shit. Bro. Get off me! Okay, I'm gonna go up top and just fucking snipe these kids. I still don't have my ult. Damn. How are these kids so fast? Yeah, in the back, right? Por la espalda. Wow, Wow, these kids are like, wow.
Así no se puede, cabrón. Este vivo es una maduren. ¡Dualipa! Voy contigo, voy contigo. Mira que es este.
Bro. Oh gosh. I didn't get any kills yet. Like, what's going on now? Look at these kids. What? No way, man. That's my first kill.
¿Qué? ¡Dualipa! ¡Pues, ayuda! No tengo.
Vamos para arriba, chicos.
¿Dónde carajo están tus jumpas?
No se han cargado, no sé. Vamos aquí a la derecha.
Oh man. What? I didn't kill him? Jeez. Let's stay together.
No lo sé, Rick, no lo sé. Te estás dando al escudo.
No, estoy adentro del escudo.
You're kidding. Get him. Yes. Oh no.
Están empezando la puta bestia. Están ganando por lo que es. Están ganando porque Dualipa no nos está ayudando.
Buena eso.
Bro.
Tengo el jumpa.
Me mataron snipando. Porque si yo le disparo a alguien me mata a otro.
Oye, chicos, look at my score, you fucking idiot.
Estoy mintiendo. Empiezo a disparar.
Bitch. No way! How did I not kill this kid? Look at my damage. I have more damage than this kid. He should shut the fuck up. Dualipa no ayuda.
Ah, diablo, cabrón.
Tu papá.
Un puto charraísala allá adentro, de verdad.
No me jodan el fucking kill, cabrón. No te fucking creo. Mano, puñeta. Después bajo del tipo me da un choconazo. A larga distancia 101.
You're kidding me, kid. Chico loco.
El tipo tiene cuchillo y yo estaba atrás de él siguiéndolo.
Otra asistencia. Esto que feo con esa puta pistola, no jodas.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, come on, bro. You're kidding me. How? That kid was flying up. I don't fucking get it, bro. I don't fucking get it.
No, yo me estaba dando, cabrón.
Ay, mi espalda. Mi espalda duele. Ay. ¿Qué? I have to go? See you around? What? One kiss is all it takes. ¿Tienes que ir? ¿Por qué? ¿No vas a jugar más tarde? ¿A Rocket League? Bueno. Hasta luego. Cuídate. Maybe I can. Yeah, let me try to get myself that skin now. Let me check this out first. Let me try and get myself that lovely skin. while I wait for this rotation because I don't like control. I fucking love control. I mean, I fucking hate control. Okay. Anyways, are we back? Oh, no. 10 more minutes? Sheesh. Let's just do another rank then. Pesos en tu eso. Bueno. Esto. Bro. That ass takes so long before we get into a match. Olympus? Let's go. Oh, Olympus, I've missed you. Look at those hands. I mean, I pay attention a lot to the hands. Mainly because that's what you get to see as a first-person shooter. You get to see the hands. If the hands look great on a skin, that's when I know I gotta get it. Because that's the only thing you get to see from your point of view. Bueno, vamos. This takes so long. Come on, respawn. With all this technology nowadays and a game still takes so long to start, like, how is that possible, you know? Even Rocket League is faster than this. I mean, you can't compare the two because it's a whole different game, but come on. Ew. Oh, that's kind of nice. How is he supposed to see if he's covering his eyes? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, he's on a roller. Let's go, baby. He's gonna carry us.
Hope you're not afraid to get your hands dirty. Would you like a kiss to make it better? Dream on.
This landing area will prove beneficial.
I knew it. Wait, where? I thought he sat there.
Prepare for sudden death.
Oh man, landing here is so cringe. There's like nothing here. Well, there's good loot, I guess, but yay! Gimme! 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 What do we get here? So many barrel stabilizers.
And everything here is gone for good.
Gimme! Oh, I already have one. Oh, this guy knows the secret. What? That's not what? Wait. That was a PK. I'm gonna have to rewatch the VOD because that's just fucking weird. Let me clip that. That was hella weird. I'm pretty sure that was a PK. Oh, this guy knows the secret. Yup, it was a PK. Wow, what the fuck just happened, bro? What the hell? No fucking way, man. Anyways. I knew it. I knew my eyes were not deceiving me.
Those care packages likely shift the delta in our favor.
What the?
The output of this device is
I just broke that by... I just broke it by tagging it. Like, what? This game is tripping right now. This game is totally tripping. What the?
extended energy mag located over here. Level 4.
Another. I think...
Aren't you
I'm
sweet?
so confused.
Thank you.
I thought I heard some enemies, but I guess it's just gunshots. Where are we going, boys? Wait, I was tagging blue shield and I have like a fucking white shield. What am I doing? I gotta rethink my life.
Shop's open for business.
A gold Mozam.
Don't mind if I do. Remember who hooked you up? I got your back.
That's a car.
There's someone.
Oh, they got red shields. I kind of want to go to the fight, but these kids are like, they're playing very passive.
Enemy over there.
What? What am I doing? Oh, they stepped out. They're ready to shoot, I think. Where are they? They kind of disappeared. I don't get it.
Mozambique here.
What the? Wait, there's a glitch in this game, man. Every time I tag a weapon, it turns into a gold Mozambique. It's so weird. What the fuck? It happened again.
Mozambique here. Shield cell here. Sniper ammo
What the fuck?
helmet here. Level 2.
What the fuck?
Backpack here. Level 1. I see someone there.
Oh, it's an April Fool's joke. Okay. I think. Oh!
There's another squad on us.
Fuck.
Grenade out. Frag out. Recharging my shields.
No, man. They got in? Fuck. No, bro. They went that way. What are you doing, kid?
Recharging my shields.
They probably rezzed. They rezzed.
Hold on, I need to heal.
That's another team, man. We should back up. Or go around. Oh my god, you guys. Yep. We're probably dead. We're gonna get sandwiched. Yep. That's what I said, guys. Oh my god. Oh, you guys. What the? Wow, this kid is cheating. Or maybe this is April Fool's joke. I'm gonna watch this kid. Sus as fuck. My teammates were trash though, like. This kid is a solo and he killed all of us? How is that possible? I want to see this kid die. Let's watch him. Let's watch him die. His movement is not even good. That's very sus. He's probably cheating. He is definitely cheating. He opened a new account and he's trying to just farm kill, I guess. He was running away like a little bitch. Anyways, we're gonna, as long as it takes, we're gonna watch this kid until he dies. Only then will I be satisfied. What the? Oh, it's the April Fool's joke. What the what? Kill him, please. Yes, kill him. Kill him, please, kill him. What the Is this an April Fool's joke? Like, what is going on? Guys, don't let him live. Kill him. Push him together. Easier. Push him. Come get him. Come and get it. Look at this kid fucking camping. Sage, bro. So sad. He's got a double Kraber then, I guess, right? He's cheating. Look at him. Why was he aiming to the floor? What? This kid is totally cheating. He's cheating. He's definitely cheating. That's not how you aim with the Kraber, dude. So bad. Those damn Kravers.
Today, the city's top cop says they caught Baltimore's top killer. In a news conference earlier today, police announced the arrest of 21-year-old.
The fuck? This is hella weird.
The commissioner says the city streets are safer for this. Right?
Well, Kelly is currently charged with a murder back in 2014. But as the commissioner warns today, it will not be the last time we hear his name.
Come on, do something, bro. Stop ratting out. I want to see it die already. Only 3 more squads and him. Everybody has a Kraber. April Fool's joke. So fucking weird, man. Why would it do this? Respawn is so bad, man. Why would they do this? What the? What? What is he doing? So weird. The fuck? You're fucking kidding me. What in the actual fuck? Bro, and I almost had this kid. He was one shot. I mean, I had him. They rezzed him. And he killed all of us. Can you fucking believe it? Incredible. He's double heading everybody. Please don't let him kill you. Yes, 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 yes. Push him together. Push him together. Push him together. Push him. No! Push them together! Push him! Push, push, push! Push, 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 push! Oh no. Don't put your head out, bro. I'm talking about the others, not him. He can put his head out. Bro. Did you not get Krabered enough? Why would you just stand on the roof like that? These kids, man. Someone just rest. Oh no. That's a free kill for him right here. That's fucking crazy. Oh no. You better run. Get him. Yes, yes, yes. Push him. Push him. 2 teams. Let's go, baby. 1 team from here, another team from there. Oh no, they can't push him anymore because otherwise they're gonna run into each other. Damn it, man. Oh, people are too hungry for kills to think. What is this kid doing, bro? great. Fucking rat, man. This shit makes me rage. He's in there. Down here, down here. Come get him. He's in here. He couldn't have gone far, right? Like, search the place. Come get him. Come get him. He's in here. I'm screaming like they can hear me. Could you imagine? They're in. Yes, yes, yes. Here. Here. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Here's where you die, kid. Oh my. Oh, I can't believe he fucking made it out. I can't fucking believe that. Don't let him live. Oh, these kids are too horny for kills and they just let this kid go. Bro, I can't fucking believe it. 3 of them and they couldn't kill him. Can you believe this shit? Oh man, I want to see this kid die. But he's being a big pussy right now, so not sure if that's gonna be happening anytime soon. Shoot him in the back. Yes, 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 yes. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Yes! Finally. Let's go, baby. Now I can leave satisfied. Oh, they killed all your buddies, man. Oh, he's at almost 1k kill. Another ratter. Okay, I'm out of here. Fake pride. Anyways, let's do one more and then we're gonna end the stream. I wanna play. Who do I want to play today? Right now. Oh fuck.
After what I've seen, nothing down there scares me.
Oh, this music goes hard. Yeah, baby. Oh no, I'm Loba. I forgot to choose someone else. Oh, good.
Ah, ve, ya empezamos. Wiñero, Mayar, Whitman, no. Carcón, solía decir Carcón Pisky, pero la cabeza. Yo me que lo cargué en la partida pasada. ¿Qué viene a dar usted?
Ja, los españoles otra vez. Vale. Okay, the Mexicans speak like that. Can we see? Oh shit. I can't see anything.
El man tenía rifle de carga y rifle de carga no, perdón, el man tenía Keeper y yo Whitman y lo peleé solo con Whitman, le pegué todo en la cabeza.
Yo, what? Get him, get him. Oh shit.
Otra vez usted, Ñero, el mismo Pathfinder me llegó otra vez para que lo matara con Whitman. Increíble, Ñero. Dos craqueados.
Let's get him.
Me va a matar.
Yeah, it, I couldn't get up.
De pronto fue que se hizo suave al matar a alguien sin darse cuenta.
What? Help me, kid. Take care when you approach me. I'm in a class of my own. You're fucking kidding me.
Yo.
Like, what? This kid wouldn't die. He was like one shot, but he wouldn't die.
Mira, ahora sí el auto se escuchó 10 de 10. Se lo juro. Así me mataron, pero se escuchó 10 de 10.
No!
I guess I was just one step ahead of you.
How did he hit all his shots? Well, he didn't hit all.
Increíble.
Charging on my shields.
Well, if you guys are holding hands, of course you're gonna kill him.
Muerto. Ah, ya la
Muerto. Ah!
Uf, madre, Karma tenía.
What?
Bueno,
Okay, this kid is cheating or something.
año, estoy encendido. On fire.
What?
¡Ey! ¡Qué asco!
En verdad, qué asco. Okay, buddy.
¡No!
So funny.
Están ahí, háganle daño. Había muchísimos, pero hágale daño, hágale daño.
Why are you running? Wait, what? Oh. Where you at?
Yo no veo ni mierda.
Bro, he's one shot.
Increíble, que son muy malos.
Okay, buddy.
No, los otros dos, los otros tres que llegaron solo por una sola raid, marica, increíble lo que una sola raid les puede causar.
¡Cállate, cabrón! Yo le maté. Oh, what?
Uy, 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 el audio.
Yeah, that doesn't exist in this game, kid. Sí, usted es malo.
Nah,
Sí.
ya ni siquiera mejor recargar el escudo.
Oh, we're winning though. Oh, this music goes hard, man. I like this.
¿Añero?
What? Oh. I thought you were the enemy.
Ñero, solo 3 flechas y la tira la cabeza. Que me dan por controlar primero.
Oh no. Bro. Get off my back, kids.
Así fuera siempre.
See ya! Bro, Pathfinder's so OP. You can get away with murder. With murder.
That's right. 200
GG, boys.
It was our Octane over there on the left. Ex Canelo.
Oh, that was fun. That was fun. Okay, guys, on this note, I'm going to end the stream. Thanks to everybody that was in chat today. Kendrick, Space Cowboy, Chino. Thank you for dropping by, you guys, as always. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next stream, which is probably next week, because I like to take my Sundays off. That's my one ritual. I take my Sundays off. I don't do any work. I don't stream. And I just probably go to the beach. My Sunday ritual. Go to the beach. Maybe some happy hour. You know? Go to the church, of course. Of course, that's the first thing in the morning. And I've washed my hair already. So I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Bye.